Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your WordPress menu items to different sections in Elementor, using menu anchors, so your visitors can jump straight to any part of your page with a simple click. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smooth scrolling, professional-looking navigation that keeps your users happy and engaged. Let's dive right in. So first things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Take a moment to check that you're on the main dashboard screen. You'll usually see Dashboard or Welcome near the top left. Now look for the Appearance option on the sidebar. Go ahead and click Appearance, and you'll see a few different options pop up underneath. From here, find and click on Editor. This section lets you customize your site in some really powerful ways, so it's worth taking your time. Now inside the editor, let's look for the navigation settings. You should see an option labeled Navigation. Give that a click. This is where you'll manage your site's menu. Here, we want to edit our header navigation, which is the menu that sits at the top of your website. Click on the header area, then choose Edit. You're in the main menu editor now. Imagine this like the directory signs at the entrance to a mall. Each menu item should lead you to a specific spot in your store. For this example, we're going to link 4 menu items. Let's call them Image 1 through Image 4 to matching sections on your Elementor page. Select the first menu item you want to link, labeled Image 1. In the link field, type in Image 1. That little symbol tells WordPress and your browser that this link is looking for a spot on the current page, not whisking you off somewhere else. If you're thinking, do I really have to do this for each one? Yes, but it's quick. For Image 2, type Image 2, for Image 3, Image 3, and for Image 4, Image 4. Just change that number each time to match your images or sections. This sets up the destination points for your menu links. When you're done, click Save. If this part took a moment, that's totally normal. You want to double-check everything's neat and in order. Next, it's time to actually match up these links to the sections in your Elementor page. So open your website and head into the Elementor editor. On your page, find Image 1, you'll recognize it right away. Click the 6 dots at the top of the section, which is essentially grabbing the section handle. This lets you control everything about that section, including its ID. Switch over to the Advanced tab on the left panel. In the CSS ID field, type Image 1 without the hashtag this time, just the plain word. This is crucial because the CSS ID is what your menu items anchor is actually jumping to. Repeat that process for images 2, 3, and 4, using Image 2, Image 3, and Image 4 as their CSS IDs. Don't worry if you get it mixed up at first, just make sure each CSS ID exactly matches what you put in your menu item links minus. Think of these IDs like addresses. If they match, you'll end up at the right house. If not, you might end up lost. Once you've set all 4 IDs, click Publish to make your changes live. If you're nervous, that's normal. Publishing in Elementor saves your work, but you can always update things later. Finally, hit the little eye icon near the Publish button. This lets you preview your website as visitors will see it. Now try clicking each menu item. Your view should scroll smoothly right to each image section. If something doesn't work, double-check your IDs and links for typos. There you go. You've just created anchored menu navigation in WordPress and Elementor, making user journeys way smoother and your site much more interactive. If this helped you out, please give the video a like. Got a question or got stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more smart WordPress tips. Thanks so much for watching and happy building.